Look how he's hooked. There we go. Look at that. Woo! Choked the Vega. What's up, guys? Move my GoPro act right now. Try to. Oh! Haha, one just hit it right there. I was just goofing.
You got a bite?
Yeah, already.
We must have came at the right time today.
He's over there.
Dada, whenever you casted, you dropped a piece of water on my nose.
Did I?
Oh, no, it's raining. It's just
I don't know where he went. I'll try to get up on something out here. I just had one hit right here, but I don't know where he went to. Oh, he's right there. He's right there.
Look at mine.
Somewhere. Where'd he go now?
It's literally only 25 foot.
I don't know where he went now.
26. No, it's 25. 25. 21. Mine now is now 15. 21. What is that supposed to be for a bait, Dada? What kind of...
It's green shad, chartreuse with chartreuse and pearl Crush City freeloader on it. Crap, I don't know where he went. That's a good sign though. Alright. I'll walk around to this other side over here. Try to get on something. Stop yelling. Try right here. Y'all can walk around over there. I'm gonna try right here real quick.
Remember the pathway.
Yeah, you do. It's right there. Where that clump of dirt is. What's up, guys? I'm gonna try to catch a couple fish out here. Struck out at my dad's. So, wait another spot. See if we can get something. All I brought was my chatterbait with me. So, we'll see. I know one thing. There's a crap ton of moss over here on this side. There we go.
Oh, you got one?
There we go. Let's go.
You like green with your bass?
Let's go.
I do that? You like green with your bass? I saw that on your YouTube video.
Let's go.
This is the only
He's probably
thing I caught.
Little pounder.
This is the only thing I caught. We just found it.
You got bird's nest?
Yeah, bird's nest. Why is his lip red?
Eating crawdads and stuff, I think, but yeah, he's like a pound.
He eats crawdads? Yeah, a lot of them. Oh, his lips are red. Oh my. That's the first one of the day here. First one of the day. First one of the day. Time to go.
I don't even know how many times I cast it in, but we got on a little pounder.
4 times. No, 3 times. Oh, yeah. 3 times. Yeah, you cast it in 3 times.
Oh.
You cast it in 3 times.
I cast it in more than 3 times.
And then maybe 4.
What did I do?
You cast it.
Figure it out in a minute.
Did I?
Oh, let's let this dude go.
Oh, yeah, you made him do a backflip.
That's all right. It's hard. You can't get down there to the bank, huh? Yeah, throw out there. That's one. I gotta see what I did right here. I done jacked my line up somehow. How did I do that? I don't know if that's the same one that I missed over here or not. Let's see.
Hey, Seth, remember our water over here? Thank you for coming. Hey, Seth, remember our water?
All right, in a pad.
Yeah.
That's not what I meant to do at all.
Uh-oh, I'll be able to get it out over there now?
Yeah, it'll come out. That's good that they're hitting the... Yeah, he was like a pain. All right, I'm gonna go to this other side because this place over here is overrun with aquatic vegetation.
Yep.
Let's go. What?
Can I take my little finesse thing that's in there?
What, your...
The little thing that has on my finesse?
I guess. Run grab it.
At least,
Hurry up, I'm going
at least it's not,
in the woods.
at least it's not.
All right, let's go. Yeah, no, this place is not pickerel infested at all, which is great. Try to see if we can get on something a little bigger over here.
Where'd the dog go? Oh.
Should be able to do pretty good with that green worm. Oh, these briars have gotten significantly lower since the last time I was here. Let's see. This water is super low too. It's usually all the way up here. Water is stupid low.
Look, Charlotte, I got them off in this one.
Oh. People been back here
Oh, no, wait, look.
walking around and
Dad,
stuff. What?
This is one of your old things.
What? Oh, yeah.
You probably got a lot of old bait out here. A lot of it. It looks like the water got lower.
It is. It's way low.
Ooh. Seth, we had to, I got stuck on these before.
Vegetation is crazy out here.
God, it looks like it got way more vegetation than it had. Yeah, I found
Yeah.
a deer print.
It's got a lot more vegetation than it had. I'm gonna go over here. Just to, oh yeah, the whole log is out the water. Let's see. Probably, buddy. Just throw it out there. You're gonna be going past the grass anyway.
No, it's because of my clip, my speed clip. It keeps on getting stuck. They're different.
Well, you gotta throw out a little farther than that, boy. You might be okay in the, because you can be in the a lot of vegetation right there.
Where is this from?
Huh?
This, what kind of parrot is it from?
Looks like a big old deer. There you go. Let it sink, let it sink. Don't run, because those float pretty good, so let it sink.
I'm following y'all. I know how to get right here. Oh, no. Oh.
Huh? Hang on, son. There we go. Now we're on the bottom.
I like my little hair jigs. They're easier. Did one bite it?
Nah.
Can we go back there?
Where? No, I ain't going way back there.
Guys, I found a log that I thought was a dead fish.
Don't be yelling, girl. That lay down right there is way out of the water.
What's that spot right there? That little spot over there?
What? Yeah. That's where I usually fish at, is right there. I can get pretty close to over there with.
You don't want to try a mini rattle trap or mini crankbait? Dad, I gave you two little mini crankbaits. Oh, come on, birds. See what?
There, I'm gonna go to the tree.
That's the thing I found. Stop. Where?
Let's go to the tree. I seem to have better luck. Well, I did whenever it was underwater. That whole tree was underwater. Huh?
How much how much lips do you think we're gonna rip?
I don't know, it's late in the day, buddy. I got that one, so.
I'm gonna try my game.
got another one.
It's a little.
It's another, probably pounder.
It's a little man. Huh? It's a little man. It's a little man.
Let's go.
Look at that little dance.
Well, he's probably a pound.
Medium, maybe.
He's dark too.
Yeah. What's that mean?
He's super dark.
Wow. He's like a black one. Wow. What's that mean? Is he good? Is he healthy? Really healthy?
Yeah, he's actually he's pretty healthy.
I'm gonna try with my gummy worm.
Number 2 on the chatterbait.
He's very black.
Let's go.
I'm gonna cast out with. He looks blackish. With a thing. Sad. He's just gray. He's not gray. He's blackish. Oh no, on the bottom he's gray. Here he goes.
Yeah, he's a healthy little dude. He's probably about a pound.
Gray, white. Black, gray, white. Yep.
All right, let's throw him back.
He is a black. Good release.
Appreciate you, Bubba. Let's go.
Dada.
I think it's the chartreuse, man. They tear chartreuse up out here.
I'm using my worm. My one singular wormy gum. Wormy gum. Gummy worm. Look at this.
What? Oh yeah, a little acorn.
Charlotte, look. You have a little acorn? Stop. I do not want it. It's not little pants. It's not pants. It's a little acorn in my pants. And I don't want it. I'm having it. This is unintentional. I'm trying to put my butt cheek. It's just a little process here. Watch the butt cheek. It's not hurt at all. Watch that butt. Yay. Cast it out in the exact same spot I did.
What?
I made water fall on my head.
Oh, sorry.
Now my head's too big.
Son, you gonna fish or what? Did you gonna fish or what? Yeah, hold on. Let me get this in.
Alright, I'm gonna take my wormy off. Toss it. What? No. Why are you gonna try this? Because that'll get me a worm to bring. That's my worm.
I'll replace it, son. I said, I'll give you another one. Right in my mouth.
You say what did that?
That water went right in my mouth.
You say what did that?
Where's your worm at, Charlotte? Don't step on my pole, boy.
Let me wash
Oh, it's slippery out here.
Okay. My worm.
Did you throw that in there?
No.
That want you? You threw something in there?
Threw the acorn in there.
Oh.
Or another acorn.
Let's put her
I'm trying to
watermelon chartreuse on here.
We can't go back there?
No, I ain't gonna go back there. I'm
Oh,
gonna stay up here. It's about to be dark anyway.
Oh, bum. I understand.
Just throw.
Hey, I see a white bird flying through the sky.
Is that a bird? Or is that a bag?
It's a bird.
I don't know if that was a bird.
I saw his wings. He was flying through the sky.
There you go. Launch that thing out there. Let it sink to the bottom and then just
Bobble, bobble.
bobble, bobble it a little bit.
Bobble,
Bobble, bobble
bobble.
it.
I'm just gonna make it go bobble, bobble.
Bobbity boobity boobity bobbity boobity. Swag like Ohio.
Why aren't you trying near the log? Johnny, look what I tried.
I am. I'm not.
Good Lord. I think that's the bottom.
There's a spot. right over here somewhere, just by that log, there's a... There's a hang up, and I feel like I'm hitting it, but... I don't know what I'm hitting. It might just be grass. It might be that vegetation I'm hitting. What, boy?
Is this as far as we can go now?
For right now, yeah. I'm not going. It's about to be dark, son. I ain't about to walk way over there. Wow, I threw that way too high. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
I might go right there to the other side of the log.
I'm gonna try over here. Oh my God. Got a moss monster with this.
Why didn't you leave your worm on there, son?
Monster moss fish, dude. Huh? Monster moss fish, dude. I like using these. What was that, a fish?
My chatterbait. I'm gonna go right here to the other side of this log and catch a fish, maybe. I threw from right here one time and threw over the log and didn't mean to throw over the log, but I did. I was trying to get it right underneath in the little arch right there, but I just did throw over. It bounced off the top, went in the water. As soon as it hit the water, a fish hit it. It's the most unfortunate thing ever. He was a little dinker though. So when I set the hook, it jerked him out of the water and back over the log. Ow, that hurt my shin. Come over this way.
Huh?
Come this way, Charlotte.
Here. We are trying to go down. Ouchie. 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 Ouchie.
Oh, there's a limb right there.
Is you a pudding?
A limb and moss, or whatever this stuff is. A crap ton of it. Oh God, that's a good chunk of moss right there. What?
I found the only place I'm gonna rip this is over there.
Pay attention to your line, girl.
Oh my God. Look.
Son, put the worm back on there so you don't have all that vegetation getting on your hook, man.
Vegetation. Try to look. I got a giant fish. That's not no fish. It's a vegetation. Vegetation fish. Oh, it's cold too.
Yeah, this water is pretty cool, actually.
Huh?
This water is actually fairly cool
Have you felt the moss?
for as hot as it's been all week.
Don't you eat it? Don't people eat this stuff?
What?
Moss.
That was probably a bad move. That was probably a very bad move.
It looks like you can make line out of it too.
Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it was. Oh, I hit it. That scared me. Man, I cut the limbs behind me. I don't know what them things are, but they got a bunch of like feathers in them or something.
I made moss line. It fell off. Moss line. In the water.
I don't know how far out exactly that extends. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no.
You got stuck?
Yep. Oh no, that ain't good. That is not good at all. Crap.
Or I can try to walk on the log.
No, man, you're not gonna get on that log. That junk is rotted and all kinds of mess. Ooh, and it's soft over here.
Huh?
So this thing is rotted.
Oh,
There we
let's
go.
go. You got it out?
Just
Yeah,
to
we
get
got
it,
back in.
just to get it hung in the bush over there. All right, yeah, we're not gonna throw. I'm definitely not gonna run. I ain't running it that close to the wood no more. That's a terrible idea. Terrible idea. See if I can get back over here without sinking or sliding and falling in the freaking water. Huh?
A worm or a jig?
A worm in a jig?
A worm or a jig?
Worm probably, son.
That's probably maybe all we can use.
Golly. That was super scary.
But how much did it?
These
How much did
JackHammers,
them both cost together?
these JackHammers are not cheap.
How much did they both cost together? You try the end.
It's getting dark now, so they're gonna be.
Where I cast out?
You can cast out. I'm coming back.
Huh?
So I'm coming back over here. You can cast out. Go ahead.
I don't know how to cast out though. I got all these woods behind me.
There you go. Did you put your worm back on there right?
Huh?
It's weedless and stuff. Yeah, I'm down. I'm not running it back by over there. Again, that is a terrible idea. Make sure it's weedless. Make sure the tip is in there. It's in there?
Yeah.
Okay. Do what, babe? I'll go right here on this bank. Is this slippery? Yeah, the water is usually super low. What? You got a nibble? You gotta let them hit that thing, girl.
I don't know how I'm gonna cast out right here. Maybe I can. Just maybe. No, the ground gets lower. It's brown. What was that?
My chatterbait with a bunch of vegetation on it that I was trying to get off, but it decided it was not going to come off while it was still in the water. Sometimes I get pretty lucky and I can get it off. Ow. without taking it out of the water.
The vegetation over here looks nice.
Yeah. Buddy, you can throw out over that way towards that tree, because you won't get hung up as long as your hook is in your worm, your hook tip. There you go. That might be the bite for today, guys. I ain't had any more mess with mine.
You got one?
Yep.
Oh, he's a good one too.
He's like a pound, maybe.
He looks better.
Oh no, he's not a pound. Oh yeah, he might be. No, he's not a pound. Probably like.
Can I?
He's probably like 10 ounces.
Hey, I think that was the one that nibbles on my line.
It might be.
Can I throw him back, Dada?
You gotta stay after him, man.
Exactly like that.
You gotta stay after him.
Hey, Mr. Buddy. Are you the one who nibbled on my
He might be.
line?
He's probably like 10 ounces or so.
Can I throw him back? Are you the one who's nibbled on my line?
No.
I wouldn't throw it back.
Hold on, Poe.
Throw it back.
I'm gonna throw it back. I always do. I don't never keep them. That's what.
I want to eat him.
Number 3. He
Was
probably like 10 ounces or something. He might be close to a pound. I don't think he's quite a pound.
little.
Maybe 12 ounces.
Right now,
Nice, healthy little bass.
He's a little bug.
Yeah, he's a little little
Let
stinker.
him go. He's just a little thing. Oh. Gotta let him go. He said,
He munched that chatterbait good though.
Oh, no.
Crazy joker.
Can I let him go? Or are you gonna let him go?
Oh, I'm gonna let him go. Appreciate you, Bubba. Healthy little dude. Let's go.
Dad, what if I catch him again?
We'll throw it. He might hit a worm. Maybe, I don't know. He just had a hook in his mouth, so he may not hit a worm. If you keep reeling it up too far. I thought the bite was off. That little dude come out of nowhere.
That's very far cast.
He got a thing out there good that time, boy. What?
I found a spot where you always fish.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh, can't go back. Dad, why can't we go back to the other side? Nobody's out here.
We can, but I'm not going right now. It's fixing to be dark and I ain't trying to walk from all the way back over there. How much far as I'm gonna go? This is farther than I had planned on going to begin with. That went even farther over there.
Oh my God. My bait went way high in the sky. Charlotte, your truck cab is about to fall off. What? You know your Ford that I got out of the junkyard on Snow Runner? Yeah. The cab is about to come off.
Now the bite might be off. Maybe. So now you gotta do is pull that thing up like once or twice and then let it sink back down. don't even know if you can see anything on the GoPro right now. When the thing gets, light gets low, this thing ain't got no kind of light compensation at all. Let me see, can you see? Kinda, it's a little dark. Yeah, what about?
Objects in mirror are closer than they appear.
There's fish hitting over there. I'd like to put a kayak in here, but.
Good. You caught 3 fish today.
4 if you count that little 7 or 8 inch dink I caught at Dad's. I didn't count it.
Watch out, Charlotte.
Ow,
okay, you're good.
My thumb. Oh, backlash. I love it. I give it the beans. Center a little too hard, bud. Just a little bit too hard.
Oh.
What?
I'm wrapped around.
How the heck did you wrap around that? Get this nasty mess right there.
Hello, Michael.
Yep. Yep.
Hey.
What up?
I'm just letting you know you're in Raleigh tomorrow. You got 2 10 by 10s.
2 10 by 10s?
Yeah, by yourself.
Oh, great.
Why? I have no earthly idea.
Yeah, that's,
I can help you.
yeah, you mean Monday?
Yeah, Monday. Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, I was about to say, they're gonna be shit out of luck, 'cause I ain't doing it tomorrow.
I can help you,
it's
Dada.
just slide locks, so no motors, but it's a metal building.
I can help you.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I can help you, Dada.
All right.
Can I
Yeah,
help?
Blake, he starts tomorrow, but I got to do paperwork with him, so.
Dada.
Heck yeah.
Dad. I can help.
All right, well, I guess I got 2 10 by 10s by myself. I will.
I don't know why she gave you 2 10 by 10s by yourself.
And they're on a metal building, so that's always fun.
But
help you.
Charlie's in Raleigh and Josh is in Raleigh also.
I can help you.
All right.
Do you work on
So
Fridays?
if you run into a
Dada, do you work on Fridays?
major issue,
Well, on Fridays?
yes, I can help you.
All right. What kind of doors is it? Is it hollow doors or steel backs?
Black glazed,
You went fleet
T12. No, they're just laminate.
on the ground.
Okay.
They're not steel backs. They're the 2480 laminate, so it's just got the paper insulation in it.
All right. They got struts or no?
I don't know.
All right.
I don't know if it has struts or not. It might have. If anything, it'll have 3.
Okie dokie. All right, bud.
On Fridays,
But when you get up there, you ask them if they have any metal screws for metal buildings.
All right. Yeah, I will, because
I wanna go
I
with you.
definitely ain't got none.
I want to go with you, Dada.
Yeah, I haven't went involved in it yet. It was on my agenda for Monday.
Heck yeah.
But I thought when she said if you can do them, I said, yeah, you can do them, but I didn't know they were 10 by 10.
Yeah.
That ain't that big deal. You should be able to handle 2 10 by 10.
Yeah, 10 by 10s shouldn't be too bad. Hopefully. I don't know. It's a metal building, so who knows?
Well, it's 10 2 by 10, so it should have reversed angle. So it shouldn't be the little hinges. It should be reversed.
All right.
Oh. Hopefully they order snap-on vinyl. That would be great.
Yeah.
Why can't I go with you?
But anyhow. All right, man.
All right, man.
All right.
Later.
Such desperate for a job.
Oh yeah. Well, that's what I do right there, bud. We're about to leave, I guess.
Okay.
We can try. We can try. You can't come with me, buddy. I got to go to the shop in Raleigh Monday and a bunch of other stuff. You're not going.
Can I sit up front this time? Nope. I want to sit front.
Yeah, you can sit in the front. I'm gonna throw it out right here a couple more times. It's getting so dark now that my GoPro is
You just said yes, Charlotte.
not gonna pick up anything but darkness. Yeah. All right, so that'll be it for this GoPro video. Catch the rest of it on my short if I catch any more. Oh, hope y'all enjoyed it.